Maxim White Gold Coffee. Yeah. Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. It's currently minus 25 degrees outside here in Finland and I'm freezing. Look, my beard, it's frozen. It's so cold here, but hopefully I found this Maxim White Gold Korean instant coffee just laying there outside. So let's go home and brew ourselves a nice steaming cup of hot drink so we can be warm again. Let's go. I survived from the freezing cold. So let's warm us up with some Maxim White Gold Coffee mix from Republic of Korea. Here's the ingredients. And look at this. Sugars, 48.7 per 100. So almost half of this is only sugar. So this will be very sweet, I think. And also look at the packaging. The packaging is a little bit boring, like look at this design, like this is like from the 90s design. And compare it with this Nescafe one. Like this is much more interesting design and they have like reflective things. And the colors are also like different, like look. They displayed the nutrients and the ingredients like much better, I think. But of course it's not about the how it looks like the packaging, because you open it anyway. It's about the taste. So let's see how this will taste like. Let's get inside the box. Let's get inside the box. It has these marks to open it, but it doesn't really open. Like it's opening like weirdly. But that might just be because they imported it far away. It got damaged during the travels. I mean, it's far from home. This coffee, far from home. Ooh, this looks much better already. Look at this. They're the little long boys. It's very long, like Nescafe. Look, Nescafe is short and wide. These are long boys, much longer. Let's get some hot water and brew ourselves a nice cup. I checked the guide here and it says that you have to use only 90 to 100 ml of water. So that will be like only like here. But we wanna drink a lot of coffee today because we're cold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 of these in one. Oh, look. They have like brown pieces and white pieces together. Nice. By the way, this is really nice. Easy cut. And they didn't lie about it. It's easy mode. It's easy mode. So let's put 2. And now we put 200 ml of water. It's still less than one single Nescafe pouch. I wonder if we should maybe put 3 and make the whole cup, but maybe like 2 and this amount of water. So let's see what happens. Ooh, look at the color. Is that 200? I think that's 200. Mix it up. The color is different from Nescafe. It's a little bit more dark color. It dissolves inside very smoothly. That's good. I think I put more than 200 ml of water. So I'm gonna do a drastic measurement and put 1 extra like this. Boom. And then we put a little bit more water here as well. So now this is 300 ml of water. It's 3 times the normal amount, I think. It's time for the truth. Let's see if Maxim White Gold Coffee tastes any good. I have a nice freshly brewed cup over here. And the smell, sweet. The color looks just like normal coffee I drink, where I put the milk in a black coffee. So this looks promising. Let's go ahead and take a sip. Oh, it's so sweet, so sugary. Really sweet, but after the initial sweetness, the actual coffee flavor comes from behind and it's supplementing it into your taste bud and it feels really good. Nice coffee flavor. I remember when I was traveling in Japan, I think they had some instant coffee mix that I really liked. And this tastes exactly the same. Like, I think this is the coffee that I drank long time ago in Japan. And I missed it. And now I'm glad I finally have it back. It's really good. If you like sweet coffee, you will definitely like this, because this is loaded with sugar. Let's check the ingredients first and see what they have. So, coffee, sugar, cream, and the cream is just corn syrup, skim milk, potassium, and skim milk powder. Why do they have skim milk and skim milk powder separately? I wish they used the whole milk, because skimmed milk, doesn't that mean that they take the fat away? So it could have been even better with the whole milk. And yeah, let's see. That's it. That's all the ingredients. There's no yeast. The only thing artificial here is actually nothing. There's no artificial things here. I guess corn syrup, but is that natural or not? I don't know. Maybe it's natural. This is really different from Nestle's instant coffees, and I like that. See, I put 3 sachets here, and the coffee is gone just like that. So one downside I see here is that you only get like small cup from single one of them. Like, I don't know what kind of small cups they use in Korea. Like, it must be something like this. Maybe it's like espresso cup that they drink this from. But yeah, I drink from the big cup because I need a lot of coffee to get me going. I need the energy. I need the warmth, because Finland is very cold. Without the coffee, we would freeze to the death. But yeah, definitely pleasant coffee experience. Highly recommend it if you like sweet coffee. I think the rating should be like 8.5 out of 10. Like, unfortunately, some of the Nestle's Nescafes are definitely better instant coffees, but this is very big competitor. Like, this is better than some of the Nestle's instant coffees. If you think about the Nestle 3-in-1, I think this is similar, but this is slightly better than Nestle 3-in-1. So if you just want to have normal coffee, you just want to have sugar and milk, this is better than Nestle 3-in-1. Because here you can actually taste the coffee flavor a little bit more. And in the Nestle 3-in-1, it's more about just the sugar. So yeah, highly recommend it. Thank you, Korea. Thank you, Korean people. 감사합니다. And I will review more food from Korea in the future. Thanks for watching. And always, like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you tasted it or not. Thank you.